Hey David, thank you for clicking on my video today. And before I get started, I just like to say I love doing what I do and I love helping businesses grow. With that being said, let's get to it. So basically, I want to talk to about three things today: uh, content, backlinks, and citations. And basically, let's start with content. So basically, with content, when you Google landscape Farmington, New Mexico, you come up with these top ranking sites here. Now, if you went to say Copper Creek Landscape, they have a pretty good site, not too bad. Not as much content as I expected, but what Google really loves is 1,500 to 2,000 keywords in the front of the site. So with that, let's check the word counter and see how much words are actually here. Sorry about that. There we go. Okay, let's plug it into word counter. And that site has, that's what Google likes. That's pretty much content. 2,108 words. But I mean, we can blow that out of the water if you put 2,200 words. It's just that simple. So, with that being said, let's move on. Backlinks. As far as backlinks are concerned, uh, really, really backlinks are a bunch of links that intertwine with your site, with your website. They go together. So if we plugged in this site here, mhm, copy. Here we go. All right, now this is what we kind of want to look for here. We have backlinks and referring domains. It's got 252 keywords, and I mean we have access to all these backlinks. This is a tool I use. It's called Ahrefs. Anyone can buy it, and uh, and uh, basically in a nutshell, this tells you the strength and how much it's trusted. So the UR is trust and strength. And I mean, we have access to all these backlinks, so I mean, it's kind of a little weak here. And these are organic keywords, which are very, very important. And these are all the keywords that tie to that site to get it to rank where it is. So, I mean, we have access to all these. So it tells you the search volume for each keyword. Um, it tells you what position they are for that keyword and what they're ranking. Uh, and how easy it's going to rank, which is KD. So this one will rank pretty good. So that's pretty much with backlinks, I mean, that you want to kind of look for. Next thing I want to talk about with you, David, is citations. Now, citations are basically the map pack where your business can end up here. And some of these don't have websites here, but it's just basically kind of a blueprint of your business, like a GM Google your business, Google My GMB, and what we do with that is just basically put you on the map. So it's kind of like a phone book for you, right here on the internet. So people are most likely to click up here when they're searching for landscaping or whatever they're looking for. In this case, it's landscaping. So uh, yeah, so I mean, this is free information. That's kind of about all. That's about all I have for you, David. It's free information. Do it, do with it what you would like. Um, so yeah, if you would like someone like me to do something like this for you, just feel free to give me a shout out. My phone number is 505 331 7995. Thank you, and you have a wonderful day.